just got one of our printers. It could be the PT-E300, the PT-E500, the PT-E550. I'm going to walk you through the steps after the unboxing. What you do is depress that and pull it outwards. You'll notice a little white tab in here, and that actually, it basically locks the tape into place. You don't want to press that, period. Leave this alone. So now you got the back open. You can see this giant cavity in here. These little pins correspond with holes on the back of the tape. That's how the printer knows what size of tape is in there. This happens to be our TZE221. It's a 3/8" tape. It's our most popular tape for using on patch panels and faceplates and electrical equipment. This open area needs to be faced to the left of the printer. This little strip of tape will fit in here. Now, if you line everything up, if you're watching the green hole, I'm going to line on this line up on the roller here. But essentially, what you do is drop the tape in, give it a firm press. Put the bottom on first, as such. Remember, we talked about that mechanism, but as you close it, it'll activate the cap stand and the pinch roller. So line that up as such, snap it shut, and you're good to go.